Hi friends, welcome back. So today I created this look using very affordable products, especially during the quarantine time. We don't have too many products with us, so if you are interested you can keep on watching. Always prime your face well. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but you can use any foundation that you have. A BB cream, CC cream will also work. So use anything that is available to you. I prefer applying the foundation very quickly, so I do not use a beauty sponge that much. I prefer using brush every time. And see, you can see on one side the coverage is really good. It does not give that white cast and also covers up pretty much all the dark spots or blemishes that I have on my face. On this side of my face you can very clearly see that I have a lot of pigmentation, and this does a pretty good job here also, so I'm very much impressed by this foundation, and it is very affordable too. So here you can clearly see the finish and how well it has covered up my spots. Now I'm going to conceal using this Insight Cosmetics concealer. I always conceal my eyes so that the makeup looks good. And the colors also show up properly when you prime up your eyes. So always follow this step and do not skip it if you want the actual color to look good on your eyes. I prefer using this particular compact powder every time. This palette has quite good shades and very bold one also, so I'm choosing this green one, and I'm going to apply this all over my eye with a flat brush, and then I'm going to smudge it all over. If you don't have this green shade, you can use any other shade that you have. Using this eyeliner pen always makes it super easy for me to create this winged eyeliner. You can get it from Amazon. It is also very much affordable. The eyeshadow palette I'm using is from Makeup Revolution. I absolutely love this golden shade. I'm going to apply the mascara off the camera. This is my finished eye look, hope you like it. And now I'm going to conceal using the same concealer I always use, is by Sivana Colors. It's a very creamy sort of concealer, and I have dry skin, so it is extremely good for my skin. I usually use this one only, I never use matte ones cause they tend to dry my skin a bit more. I'm contouring my face using the same stick, and let me know if ever you want me to make a video particularly on how to contour and highlight your face. In these videos, because I have to upload the whole look, so I just quickly do it, but if you want a detailed video on these particular steps, you can mention that in comments and I will do that also. After applying foundation and concealer, your face becomes totally blank, so it is very important to contour your face to give it a proper structure. In case you don't have a contour stick at home with you, you can also use a darker eyeshadow that will also do the same job only. You can apply like this only the similar way like I have applied the darker eyeshadow, and it will give your face a really good structure. This is a very important step in makeup, so you should always contour your face well. Blush I am using is by Sugar Cosmetic. To highlight the high points of my face, I am using the same shade from the eyeshadow palette that I used around my eyes. This is my finished look, friends. Hope you liked and enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.